Hi everyone! So this week I decided that I needed to talk about two topics that are kind of yin and yang, but I wanted to talk about the highs and the lows of my new life as an amputee. So I've been able to wear my leg more and more, and it's very exciting. So this actually represents like this feeling of like true euphoria when like I can stand on my prosthetic and I feel like nothing in the world could overtake me. This is rock bottom. And this is the other side that most people don't see, you know, like most people, they care about this side of you on social media, but they don't really care about the fact that like there's this whole other side behind the curtain that no one really sees. And this is the emotional side, the fear side, the like, what if this doesn't work side, you know? And so, yeah, I mean, like, and I've been feeling like this is how my emotions have been all week, is just up and down and up and down and up and down, because you start to get that fear and you start to be like, am I ever going to get to walk again? Like, am I ever going to heal again? Because I've had so many issues with phantom pain. So I kind of wanted to do some images or some little like doodle depictions of what the depression monster might look like in my regular day-to-day life. Yeah, this one's kind of horrifying. This is how I imagine like the depression monster if I was just like chilling on my bed or something, and it just like comes up behind the bed and just says like, you are nothing. And then you just have to like fight this very deep voiced monster in your own brain. It's great. This is a depiction of the depression monster and the pain dragon. It has 3 heads. It's always like, yeah, I mean, basically the pain dragon's like, you will always suffer. And I'm just like, no, please have mercy on me. But I feel stronger and better and more able to fight the depression monster because of faith, humility, confidence, and perseverance. Hello, everybody. So I just wanted to show you guys how the progress has been with my prosthetic leg here over the past month or so. I've gone from pretty much walking like full-time with a walker to being able to walk on one crutch on my own. I mean, I can take a few steps without like any sort of walking device, but I still feel pretty unstable, so I definitely won't do that if I'm by myself quite yet, but I'm getting close to being able to just pop the leg on and walk, which is very, very exciting. I went from the walker to just using one crutch here. So I just have one crutch in my hand, standing free. And the crutch actually goes opposite the side of my prosthetic. So I'm just trying to show you guys that I have it on this side and then the prosthetic leg's on that side. So at this point, you might be asking why I can't wear my leg for very long still. And the answer is all the sensitivity issues we had with fit that made it so it took 4 months to get my leg. Those are also the same issues that are kind of getting in the way of me walking right now. The phantom pain is still a lot, and it does increase a bit after I've been wearing my prosthetics. So I definitely have to be careful just not to walk too much in a day and things like that still, but you know what? It feels pretty good to be able to like balance though. Hey guys, I made it outside. I like to come out to the bird feeder and just watch the birds and listen to the birds. There's a lot of birds around. I hope you guys can hear the birds too, because they're beautiful.